How to grow back receding gums naturally. Have you ever noticed your gums looking a little thinner or perhaps pulling back from your teeth? If so, you're not alone. Gum recession is a growing issue that many people face, often without even realizing it. The worst part, it tends to creep up on you. You might not experience any pain or obvious symptoms until it's well advanced. And that's why it's crucial to take action early. While a lot of people rush to expensive treatments and surgeries, there are natural, science-backed methods that can help protect and even grow back receding gums. Gum recession doesn't just affect your smile, it impacts your overall health too. And once those gums are gone, they're hard to get back. So, taking early, natural precautions is key to maintaining not only your dental health, but your general well-being. In today's video, we're going to explore 9 natural remedies that have been proven to help regrow receding gums and keep your mouth healthy without breaking the bank or exposing yourself to harsh chemicals. Let's look right into these solutions and how they work to heal your gums. First up is a well-known household ingredient, green tea. This popular beverage is not only great for your overall health, but is a powerhouse for your gums too. The active compound in green tea is something called catechins, a type of antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory properties. When your gums recede, it's often due to inflammation caused by bacteria in the mouth. The catechins in green tea help reduce this inflammation, allowing your gums to heal naturally over time. Why does gum recession happen in the first place? Well, one common reason is poor oral hygiene, which leads to a buildup of plaque. This plaque irritates your gums and can cause them to pull away from your teeth. But inflammation isn't always obvious. Many people don't realize there's an issue until the damage is already done. By sipping green tea daily or using it as a mouthwash, you're essentially giving your gums a powerful ally against these sneaky bacteria. Here's an interesting fact. Green tea has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly in Eastern cultures. It wasn't until modern research that we truly understood the science behind its effectiveness. In one study, people who consumed green tea regularly were found to have significantly healthier gums compared to those who didn't. Drinking 1 to 2 cups a day can provide this protection. The key is to drink it regularly because consistency is what helps the healing process. On top of that, green tea also has antibacterial properties, which means it can reduce the harmful bacteria that cause gum disease. So, while it's fighting inflammation, it's also keeping your mouth clean and fresh. The best part? Green tea is safe, easy to find, and tastes pretty good too. Let's explore aloe vera, a well-known plant with amazing benefits, not just for skin, but also for gum health. Aloe vera contains an active compound called asamanan, which is key to its healing power. Asamanan promotes tissue regeneration, helping damaged gum tissue heal and encouraging new growth. This makes it a great natural remedy for receding gums. Gum recession often happens due to inflammation and infections that damage gum tissues. Asamanan boosts your body's natural ability to repair this tissue. It penetrates deep into the gums, stimulating new cell production and helping your gums grow back naturally. Pretty cool, right? Historically, aloe vera has been used in medicine for thousands of years, even by the ancient Egyptians who called it the plant of immortality. Modern science confirms what they knew. This plant has powerful healing properties. Studies show that aloe vera gel can significantly reduce gum inflammation and support tissue regeneration, making it ideal for people struggling with receding gums. To use aloe vera, you can apply pure gel directly to your gums twice a day. Simply massage it gently to allow the asamanan to do its work. It's safe, natural, and easy to find. Whether you use it straight from the leaf or in gel form, aloe vera is an excellent ally in your gum care routine. With regular use, this natural remedy can help you protect your gums and keep your smile healthy. Next, let's talk about coconut oil and the ancient practice of oil pulling, which is making a comeback for good reasons. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, a powerful antimicrobial agent that helps eliminate harmful bacteria in your mouth, bacteria that contribute to gum recession and gingivitis. When you do oil pulling, you're essentially pulling these bacteria out of your mouth, reducing inflammation and promoting healthier gums. Here's how it works. The lauric acid in coconut oil breaks down the fat in bacterial cell walls, effectively killing them. It acts like a natural detox for your mouth, helping to lower bacterial counts and reduce plaque, which is a major culprit behind gum recession. Not only are you cleaning your mouth, but you're also actively fighting off gum disease in a completely natural way. This method has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, and modern research backs its effectiveness. Swishing coconut oil around your mouth for about 15 minutes a day a few times a week can make a noticeable difference in your gum health. It's simple, but the results can be impressive. Healthier gums, reduced inflammation, and even fresher breath. Just remember, after oil pulling, always spit the oil out, never swallow it as it contains bacteria, and rinse your mouth thoroughly. With regular use, oil pulling can be an easy addition to your routine to keep your gums strong and healthy. Next come the vitamin C-rich foods. These may include oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwis, and are considered incredibly powerful when it comes to promoting gum health, particularly in preventing and treating gum recession. The reason vitamin C is so critical is that it plays a key role in producing collagen, the primary protein that forms the structure of your gums and other connective tissues. But why is collagen so important? Collagen is like the framework or scaffolding that holds your gum tissue together. Without enough collagen, your gums become weak, fragile, and more susceptible to issues like recession and inflammation. If your body doesn't produce enough collagen due to a vitamin C deficiency, the gums can start to deteriorate. This is what leads to bleeding gums, sensitivity, and eventually receding gums. Additionally, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps reduce inflammation and neutralizes free radicals that can damage gum tissues. Chronic inflammation is a significant factor in gum disease and recession, and vitamin C helps combat this process, promoting healthier gums overall. What might happen if you get low on vitamin C? Well, vitamin C deficiency has been linked to scurvy, a condition that plagued sailors who didn't have access to fresh produce. One of the most common symptoms of scurvy was severe gum recession and tooth loss. In modern times, vitamin C deficiency is less common, but even slight reductions in vitamin C levels can make your gums more vulnerable to disease. When your vitamin C levels are optimal, however, your body's collagen production is efficient, allowing your gums to stay firm and resilient. Not only does this help prevent gum recession, but it can also promote gum regrowth. Increasing vitamin C intake supports the body's natural healing process, helping your gums to regenerate and repair themselves. Now let's talk about sage, an herb with a long history of being used to treat oral health issues. Sage contains a powerful compound called carnosic acid, which boasts both anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This makes sage particularly effective in addressing the bacteria and inflammation that contribute to gum recession and overall gum disease. Wondering how it works? The carnosic acid in sage works by directly targeting harmful bacteria in your mouth. These bacteria, if left unchecked, can lead to gum infections, plaque buildup, and eventually gum recession. By reducing the bacterial load, sage creates a healthier environment for your gums, helping to prevent further damage and allowing the gums to heal naturally. Inflammation is another key factor in gum disease, and the anti-inflammatory properties of sage make it an excellent natural solution to calm swollen and irritated gums. A great way to harness the benefits of sage is by making a simple mouthwash. Boil fresh sage leaves in water, let the mixture cool, and use it as a rinse. This herbal mouthwash is a gentle and natural way to reduce bacteria and inflammation while promoting gum health. Interestingly, sage has been used for centuries by various cultures. The Romans, for example, used sage to treat a wide range of oral issues, from sore throats to mouth ulcers. They recognized its healing potential long before modern science confirmed its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. In today's world, sage continues to be an excellent natural remedy to keep your gums healthy. Regular use of a sage rinse can significantly reduce bacteria and help protect your gums from further recession, making it a fantastic addition to your oral care routine. Next up is eucalyptus oil, a powerful remedy for gum recession known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. One of the key active compounds in eucalyptus oil is cineole, which plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation and eliminating harmful bacteria from the mouth. This makes eucalyptus oil a strong ally in the fight against gum disease and recession. What makes this oil so essential? Eucalyptus oil has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly for treating infections. When it comes to receding gums, it works in two key ways. First, it helps reduce the swelling, discomfort, and pain caused by inflamed gums. Second, it targets the bacteria responsible for gum disease, stopping the infection at its root and helping to prevent further gum damage. To use eucalyptus oil for gum health, it's important to dilute it with water as it can be quite potent on its own. You can apply this diluted mixture directly to your gums using a cotton swab, or use it as a mouth rinse to help reduce bacteria levels and inflammation in the mouth. An interesting historical fact is that eucalyptus oil was first used by Aboriginal Australians for its medicinal purposes long before modern science confirmed its antimicrobial properties. They used it to treat wounds and infections, and today we know that it's an effective natural remedy for oral health as well. With the support of scientific research, eucalyptus oil is now widely recognized for its ability to combat gum recession and other gum-related issues. Regular use of this oil can help keep your gums healthy, reduce inflammation, and prevent further gum recession. Next, let's explore peppermint oil. This refreshing oil is not only loved for its delightful flavor, but also boasts some remarkable benefits for your oral health. The magic ingredient in peppermint oil is menthol, a compound that's famous for its cooling sensation and its ability to reduce inflammation. But how does it work in your mouth? When you apply peppermint oil to your gums, menthol can provide immediate relief from discomfort. It interacts with the sensory nerves in your mouth, creating a soothing effect that can help alleviate any irritation or pain you might be feeling. At the same time, peppermint oil actively combats the bacteria that contribute to gum disease. Now let's dig a little deeper into its scientific benefits. Peppermint oil is known for its antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help keep harmful bacteria at bay. Studies have shown that menthol can inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, such as Streptococcus mutans, which is one of the primary culprits behind tooth decay and gum disease. By reducing the bacterial load in your mouth, peppermint oil plays a crucial role in preventing plaque buildup, which is often linked to gum recession. And there's more. Not only does peppermint oil help combat bacteria, but it also contributes to fresher breath. The invigorating scent of peppermint can help mask odors, making your mouth feel revitalized after use. This refreshing quality can be particularly appealing if you've just enjoyed a meal or if you're looking for a quick pick-me-up during the day. To use peppermint oil effectively, you can dilute a few drops in a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil, and gently massage it onto your gums. Alternatively, you can mix it with warm water to create a mouth rinse. Just be sure to use it sparingly. About 2 to 3 drops mixed with a carrier oil is plenty. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of peppermint oil without overwhelming your system. Interestingly, peppermint has a long history of use that dates back to ancient civilizations. The Greeks and Romans valued it not only for its delightful flavor in food, but also for its various health benefits, including its ability to soothe digestive issues and relieve headaches. Today, we continue to appreciate its value, especially when it comes to oral health. Next, we have honey, specifically raw honey. This natural sweetener isn't just a delightful addition to your tea or toast, it's also a powerhouse when it comes to promoting oral health. Raw honey is packed with beneficial properties, primarily due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. What makes honey so effective? Well, it contains hydrogen peroxide and various phenolic compounds, which are responsible for its impressive antibacterial properties. When you apply raw honey to your gums, it can help reduce inflammation and combat harmful bacteria that may be causing gum issues. The natural sugars in honey create an environment that helps inhibit the growth of harmful microbes while allowing the beneficial bacteria to flourish. This means honey not only helps to cleanse your gums, but also fosters a healthier oral microbiome. That's not all about it. One of the fantastic things about honey is its ability to create a protective barrier on the gums. This barrier not only aids in keeping bacteria at bay, but also promotes healing in areas that may be inflamed or receding. Plus, its natural sweetness makes it a pleasant addition to your oral care routine. To incorporate raw honey effectively, you can apply a small amount directly to your gums, allowing it to sit for a few minutes before rinsing. Alternatively, You can mix a teaspoon of raw honey into a warm glass of water and use it as a mouth rinse. This not only freshens your breath, but also ensures that the honey reaches all areas of your mouth. Historically, honey has been revered for its medicinal uses for thousands of years, with records dating back to ancient Egypt and Greece. Ancient civilizations used honey not only as a food source, but also as a natural remedy for various ailments, from wounds to digestive issues. Its unique properties have been celebrated in many cultures, solidifying its status as a natural healer. For optimal results, try applying a teaspoon of raw honey once or twice daily to your gums. You'll not only enjoy the health benefits, but also add a sweet touch to your oral care regimen. So, if you're looking for a natural and tasty way to support your gum health, raw honey might just be the sweet solution you need. Finally, let's explore clove oil, a well-known spice that doubles as an effective remedy for gum issues. The key active compound in clove oil is eugenol, which possesses both analgesic and antibacterial properties. This makes clove oil a fantastic option for treating inflamed, receding gums by providing pain relief and attacking harmful bacteria that contribute to gum disease. Eugenol works by numbing the affected area, offering immediate relief from gum pain and discomfort. But it's not just a temporary solution. Eugenol also tackles the underlying causes of gum recession by targeting the bacteria responsible for infection and inflammation. By applying clove oil directly to your gums, you can reduce swelling, fight off bacteria, and support the healing process over time. Interestingly, clove oil has a rich history in dentistry. For centuries, it's been used as a natural anesthetic due to its numbing effect. Dentists have long relied on clove oil to relieve toothaches and gum pain. Even today, eugenol remains a popular ingredient in many dental products because of its natural ability to ease oral discomfort. To use clove oil for your gums, simply dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to the affected area. This can help soothe irritation, kill bacteria, and promote gum healing. By incorporating clove oil into your oral care routine, you can naturally protect your gums and keep them healthy. And there you have it. These 9 powerful and natural remedies for receding gums are not only rooted in scientific research, but are also incredibly easy to include in your daily routine. From sipping green tea and applying aloe vera gel to practicing oil pulling with coconut oil and enjoying vitamin C-rich foods, there are numerous effective ways to support your gum health naturally. Each remedy offers its unique benefits, allowing you to choose what works best for you while also enjoying a variety of flavors and experiences. By regularly involving these natural methods in your oral care regimen, you can significantly enhance your gum health and ultimately work toward a brighter, more confident smile. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on natural health.